Dear traders, in this video I'm going to tell you about the best Moto overbought or oversold indicator trading strategy that will be used to earn the maximum profit by using this indicator. And this strategy can not only be used for the Forex but also for crypto and stock market. Before going towards the details of this strategy, I want to tell you that which broker I'm using for my trading. That is Exness. If you want to open your account with Exness, you will have the 5 options of accounts. They are standard, standard cent, raw spread, zero, and pro account. They are trustworthy for their deposit and withdrawal methods. Plus, they give you maximum profit for your each trade by taking very less commission or no commission at all. So if you're interested to open your account with Exness, you can get the link in the description of my video. Let's move towards the strategy. Here I have set the time frame on 1 minute, and I will set the chart of gold as you can see here. And now I'm going to apply the indicator. The first indicator that I'm using here is the RSI plus backlight overbought slash oversold level. And this is by Crypto Insider. 75 traders are using this indicator. You have to simply click on it. It will be applied on your chart. Now we are going into the chart again, and we will see that how it is working. We are not going to change anything into it, as its settings by default are perfect for this strategy. Now we are going to use the another indicator, and that is Moto. You have to simply type Moto and come down, and here dots by into Moto. 285 traders are using this indicator. You have to simply click on it. It will be applied on your chart. As you can see here, this is the indicator that we have applied on our chart. We have to go for few of the adjustments, so click on settings, and you have to uncheck these options: first OB dot, first OS dot, third OS dot, third OB dot, and then come into the inputs. And from here you have to change few of the settings. In the second OS level, you have to change, instead of 16 type 13, instead of 87 in second OB level you have to type 80, and in the slow period, instead of 22 we have to type 70. Click OK. This is all according to our strategy requirement. Now our chart is set. Okay, as you can see here, our chart is set according to our requirements. So now when you have to take the entry for the positive trend or for the uptrend, as you can see, our market is always having two kind of trends. One is uptrend, as it is given here, and one is downtrend, as you can see here. So we have to look for our Moto indicator to give us the dots, pink color dots, according to our requirement. Whenever it will give us the pink color dots, as you can see here, this has given us the pink color dots. It means that we are in the overbought level according to RSI indicator. So we have to look towards our indicators, both of the indicators. If it is above its level, that is the said level, that is 70, so if it is in the overbought level, its color will be changed. And according to this, we have to look towards our market trend as well, that our market has to form two candles, that is that should be in the green color. So if these all three conditions are fulfilled, we are in the right conditions, or we are in the perfect position to take the entry into the for the bullish market or for the buy signal. Conversely, if we see in any other chart for the short position, if I will show you here in the Euro USD, so I will show you that, for example, here if our Moto signal is giving us the two color dots, that will be in the green color, and then we have to look towards our RSI indicator, that will be giving us the green color. As you can see, this is showing us oversold level. So this green color zone is being drawn by this indicator, that is RSI plus backlight indicator, that is oversold or overbought level. So this is showing us the oversold level here, we have to take the entry into the market when we will confirm that our market has also formed two candles that are in the red color. If these all conditions are fulfilled, we have to take the entry for the market to for the bearish trend. So we have to check our candles to be formed accordingly, and then we can take the maximum profit according to these two indicators, signals that are provided to us by these indicators. So this is a very accurate indicator that is giving us the signal according to our requirements whenever we are going for the scalping strategy or for the day trading strategy. Another example I can give you from USD JPY. Here this dot is, again we can see, if I show you closely, this dot is given by the indicator, that is the Moto dots indicator, and this is showing that it is in the overbought level. So by looking towards this also, we can see that in the RSI plus backlight or overbought or oversold level, this also shows us that the market has gone in the overbought level. So market has to take the trend for the trend reversal, and it will go into the downwards trend. So we have to take the entry for the market for a sell signal. So this is very easy strategy that is giving you signals for uptrend or for the downtrend, that you have to see by looking towards your market chart, and then how you have to enter into the market for the buy or sell signals. So this is all about this strategy. If you like this strategy, do not forget to like and subscribe this video, and do use it for your own trading as well. Thank you.